In this review, we're diving into iRobot's high-end robot vacuum and mop combo, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus. After putting it through a rigorous series of tests, we're excited to share the pros and cons with you. Be sure to check the links in the description and let's jump right in. Let's start with the key feature, its vacuuming performance. It uses iRobot's dual brush system combined with a single side brush to effectively clean both hard floors and carpets. In our tests, it performed better than your typical robot vacuum, handling everything from fine particles to large debris with ease. One of the standout upgrades is its increased suction power. iRobot claims it has 100% more suction than the Roomba I series, and while we didn't notice 100% improvement, there was a notable boost from our testing. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus features iRobot's auto retract mopping system, which uses stainless steel arms to lower the mop pad when vacuuming hard floors, allowing it to vacuum and mop at the same time. When it detects carpet, the mop pad automatically raises to rest on the top of the robot, keeping carpets dry. Other vacuums have auto-lifting pads, but they only raise a few millimeters above the carpet, which can still get carpets wet. Recently, though, we have seen the competition release vacuums that can automatically remove and reinstall their mop pads at the base station to prevent this issue altogether. iRobot's current system works great and can help speed up cleaning by allowing the robot to vacuum and mop in a single pass instead of multiple passes. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus also excelled in mopping performance. For both wet and dry stains, it handled them well. The Smart Scrub feature, which increases the scrubbing power, was particularly effective on stubborn stains as it makes multiple passes back and forth to mimic that scrubbing motion. The J9 Plus also has built-in obstacle avoidance. It uses front-mounted sensors to detect and avoid common household obstacles, preventing it from getting stuck. While far from perfect, it was definitely better than your average obstacle avoidance system and does a good job avoiding cords and pet waste. iRobot is so confident in its avoiding pet waste that if it doesn't, they'll replace your robot for free. Not me, they will. The standout feature of the J9 Plus is the Clean Base Auto Fill Dock, which not only automatically empties the robot's dustbin into a disposable bag, but also refills the water tank for mopping. The tank holds enough water to last about a month, and the dock's sleek design, with its faux wood top and built-in storage for extra pads and bags, adds both functionality and style. In regards to drawbacks, iRobot chose not to include an auto mop pad washing feature, something most competitors at this price point offer. This means you'll have to manually wash the mop pad after each cleaning session. Although iRobot claims this decision was for sanitary reasons, with the recent release of the Roomba Combo 10 Max, which, you guessed it, includes mop washing, it was clearly an oversight on their part, intentional or not. In terms of navigation, while the obstacle avoidance system could use improvement, this model also falls behind competitors in speed. It takes longer to initially create the map and is generally slower at processing its environment overall. If speed is a priority for you, this vacuum might feel sluggish compared to others. Lastly, let's talk about iRobot's app. Although it's user-friendly and packed with features like keep-out zones, dirt detective, and water and suction customization, it's less intuitive than some competing apps. One notable omission is the absence of real-time location tracking on the map during cleaning, which can be frustrating if you want to monitor the vacuum's progress. Overall, I've thoroughly enjoyed using the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. It's excellent at cleaning carpets, and the dual rubber brushes handle both human and pet hair with ease without getting tangled. The mopping system is a highlight, demonstrating impressive engineering. It may seem like overkill, but it's unexpectedly effective on hard floors. While it's missing a few features like automatic mop washing and drying, mop extension, and better side brush reach, it's still a strong contender if you're shopping in the high-end robot vacuum market. Thanks for watching.